My name is Silly Chef Garby. Welcome to my silly kitchen. So, are you gonna help me cook something amazing today?
Yay!
Well, let's not waste any more time. Let's get our stuff ready and I'll talk about what we're gonna make today. Come on! Now, I have a question for you. How many of you out there like grilled cheese sandwiches? Raise your hand.
I do.
Me too! Well, today we're gonna make a yummy, delicious grilled cheese sandwich. I love a good grilled cheese, especially if it's a little colder outside. It's so nice and warm in my tummy, and we're gonna make one today with your help. Are you ready?
Yes!
Okay, let's go. There's 2 rules we always follow before we start cooking. 1, always wash your hands. And 2, always with the grown-up. So let's get started on rule number 1. All right, my hands are nice and clean. Now it's time to get going on our yummy grilled cheese sandwich today.
Today we're going to be using some butter, sourdough bread, cheddar cheese, and Parmesan cheese.
Now the great thing about grilled cheese is that there's a lot of ways that you can do it. There's a lot of different cheeses and different types of bread you can use. Chef Garby's going to use a good sourdough bread. He loves sourdough. I think this is the best when making grilled cheese sandwich. And then we're just going to use some classic sharp cheddar cheese. There's a lot of different cheeses you can use when you make grilled cheese. There's fancy cheeses like Gruyere. There's other ones like American. But Chef Garby's gonna make a good old-fashioned classic sharp cheddar cheese with a little Parmesan for the bread. I'll show you how we're gonna do that, all right? Okay, let's get our pan heated up and get ready to go. Now the key to making grilled cheese is that you wanna make sure that it's not hot enough to where it's gonna burn the bread, but it is still just hot enough to where it's gonna melt the cheese. That way you get that perfect golden brown crust and a nice gooey melted cheese. So I'm gonna preheat this stainless steel pan with a little oil to medium low to medium heat. Really depends on which griddle you're using and how much heat it's gonna put out, okay? All right, now that that pan is heating up, we're gonna go ahead and butter up our bread. You wanna make sure you get a good even coating of soft butter on the bread so it'll have that nice stick to the pan and get that delicious crisp that we're looking for. All right, one thing I'm gonna do to really pep up this sandwich is we're gonna add a little layer of Parmesan cheese to the outside of the sandwich where the bread is, and that way it's gonna get a nice Parmesan crust on the outside in addition to the yummy gooey cheese on the inside. Okay, now everyone's got a preference with grilled cheese sandwiches about how much cheese they want to put on it. Chef Garby likes his pretty cheesy, but not too much because you want it to melt all the way through. So I've got these cheddar slices. They're already sliced. These are actually pretty thick, so I'm just gonna go with 2. So it really depends on how much cheese you like and how thick the slices are, or if you want to grate the cheese yourself, you can do that as well. So let's go ahead and get these onto the sandwich, and we're gonna get this cheese melted. Let's go. All right, the sandwich is cut. Let's take a look and see how this looks on the plate with that cheese gooing out. The moment we've been waiting for. Check this out. Look at that yummy gooey cheese. Oh my gosh, it is perfect. That Parmesan crust around the corners made a perfect golden brown crust. And now, let's see how it tastes. That's a grilled cheese sandwich right there. Okay, sorry, that was my happy dance when I get to eat. All right, well, that's it, kids. It's as simple as that. A yummy, delicious sandwich in just a few minutes. It just shows you don't need a lot of time to make something that tastes amazing. Everyone, thanks so much for joining us again today to make this delicious grilled cheese sandwich. It was a short one for you today, but it just goes to show you don't need a lot of time to make a yummy, delicious meal as long as you follow the proper steps. So as always, grown-ups, if there's a recipe your little one would love for me to cook, go ahead and send it to this email below, and your recipe could be featured in Chef Garby's next video. As always, everyone, thanks for joining. I can't wait to see you for the next episode. So long!